Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you how to check storage on a Mac. The first method is to go into your settings. Open System Settings. Next, find and select the General option. Then, over on the right, click on Storage. Give it a moment for macOS to calculate the size of your applications. Once it's done, take a look at the top bar here. You'll see the specs, how many gigabytes you've used out of your total capacity. To see exactly how much free space is left, simply hover your mouse over this gray bar, and it will pop up with the available storage space on your Mac. Down below, you'll see a breakdown of how much percentage each data type is taking up. For example, applications, iCloud Drive, email, messages, photos, or trash. Right from this screen, you can also click on the eye icon next to trash, then hit Empty Trash to delete everything in your bin. You'll see your available free space update instantly right here. Now, there's one section here that might be confusing for people switching from Windows to Mac, and that is System Data. System Data represents files generated while you are using your machine. This data isn't fixed. When you have many apps open and your Mac has been running for a long time, the system data size will typically be large. But if you shut down and restart your computer, this number will go down. We generally shouldn't try to force delete this data, as it could affect how your machine runs. Another way to quickly check your free space right from your workflow is in the Finder. Go up to the View menu in Finder, and then select Show Status Bar. Once you select this option, look at the bottom of any Finder window. You will see the Available status, showing exactly how many gigabytes are free on your Mac's hard drive. In the next video, I will share how to find exactly what is filling up your drive and how to manually clean it up without using third-party software. I'll leave the link to that video in the description below for you to check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.